How to connect the VedaPulse Professional device to a computer. This is the VedaPulse Professional device. The kit includes VedaPulse Professional device in a black case. On the front panel of the device, there is a LEMO socket for connecting signal cable and LED indicator. On the back of the device, there is a socket for connecting the USB cable, USB security key, signal cable with a connector to the device and two ends, red and black. USB cable for connection to a computer. Two electrodes, red and black. To connect the device to the computer, insert the signal cable connector, with the red dot facing upwards into the LEMO socket on the front panel of the device, until you hear a slight click. Next, insert each end of the signal cable in the corresponding slots on the electrodes. The red end is attached to the red electrode, black end to the black electrode. Tighten the screws on the electrodes. The ends must not be loose in the slots, but do not over-tighten the screws. Next, connect the USB cable to the device and the computer. The green indicator on the device will turn on. If the indicator flashes evenly, it means that the device is recognized and ready for use.